Well, alright. It's finally done. Well, okay, it's not exactly done yet. Still needs sanded and painted. It's a shame I'm gonna have to paint over this nice metallic blue. Probably should have just printed the whole thing white. These fancy shiny filaments tend to not print quite as well, and it's already broken in some parts after playing with it for a little bit. Just a little tip off of there. And when putting it together, I kind of didn't line up these two parts of the hilt very well, or the guard. And that super glue held like within seconds. I couldn't correct it. I could probably fill and sand it down and then paint over it, and it shouldn't be too noticeable. This Master Sword was printed with a 0.28 layer height, so you definitely see the layer lines. But yeah, this thing is pretty cool. Now, if I were to go back to the beginning and start over, I would definitely just make the whole thing white. Yeah, what do you guys think of it so far? I mean, it feels solid. I'm not going to go bang it on stuff and test out the strength of it. Well, maybe. Anyways, tell me what you guys think of it. And if there's anything else you'd like to see printed, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later.